Welcome back to our channel. The 2025 Honda Civic represents the next evolution of one of the world's most popular compact cars, blending refined design, engaging performance, advanced technology, and class-leading safety into a package that appeals to daily commuters and driving enthusiasts alike. Upon first glance, the 2025 Civic's exterior stands as both athletic and sophisticated. A sculpted hood flows seamlessly into a low, wide grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, creating a bold face that distinguishes it from competitors. Side character lines run from front fenders to the rear taillights, emphasizing motion even at rest. Available dual-tone wheel designs ranging from 16 to 18 inches add a personalized, sporty flair, while new metallic paint options, such as Midnight Blue Pearl and Cosmic Red Metallic, highlight the Civic's dynamic form. Stepping inside, the cabin welcomes occupants with an emphasis on space, quality, and intuitive ergonomics. Soft-touch materials cover the dash and doors, complemented by available contrast stitching on seats trimmed in cloth or leatherette. The redesigned center console positions climate and audio controls within easy reach, and a standard 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system runs Honda's latest interface, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports ensure devices remain powered and connected. Front seat heating is available, and rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, over 40 inches, making the Civic one of its class's most accommodating compact cars. Under the hood, Honda offers two turbocharged engines tailored to different driving preferences. The base 2.0-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 still delivers a trusty 158 horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque, now paired to a refined continuously variable transmission (CVT) that simulates upshifts for a more engaging feel. Stepping up, a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-4 pushes output to 180 horsepower and 177 pound-feet of torque, available with either the CVT or a 6-speed manual gearbox for those who crave direct control. Fuel economy remains impressive. The base model returns an EPA-estimated 31 mpg city and 40 mpg highway, while the turbo models average 32-40 seconds mpg respectively, making the Civic both spirited and efficient. Chassis enhancements for 2025 sharpen handling and ride comfort. A retuned McPherson front suspension and multi-link rear setup work with a stiffer body structure to reduce flex and improve corner stability. Electric power steering has been recalibrated to provide more feedback at mid-corner speeds, giving drivers confidence on twisty roads. Brake feel is also improved, with a more linear pedal response and shorter stopping distances in testing. Meanwhile, noise, vibration, and harshness NVH engineers have added sound-absorbing materials to the firewall and wheel wells, resulting in a quieter cabin at highway speeds. On the technology front, Honda's Safety Suite 4.0 comes standard, bundling adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, lane keeping assist, traffic jam assist, and collision mitigation braking system. New for 2025 is a blind spot intervention system that not only alerts you to vehicles in adjacent lanes but can subtly steer you back into your lane if you begin to drift. Road departure mitigation has been enhanced with curve adaptive functionality, slowing the car if it senses an imminent off-road excursion. Optional front and rear parking sensors and a 360-degree camera system make low-speed maneuvering stress-free. For infotainment and connectivity, the 9-inch display can be upgraded to a wireless hotspot capable of connecting up to 7 devices, ideal for families or those who work on the go. An available 12-speaker Bose premium audio system immerses passengers in rich, clear sound. Over-the-air updates ensure the Civic's software remains current without requiring dealer visits. Cargo capacity remains a Civic strong point, with 14.8 cubic feet in the sedan trunk, one of the largest in its segment, and 27.3 cubic feet behind the rear seats in the hatchback variant. A fold-down 60/40 rear seatback and wide trunk opening allow hauling of bulkier items, while covered storage under the cargo floor keeps valuables out of sight. Pricing for the 2025 Honda Civic starts at an MSRP of $24,000 for the LX trim and tops out around $31,500 for the fully equipped Sport Touring model. Standard warranty coverage includes 3 years 36,000 miles of bumper-to-bumper protection and 5 years 60,000 miles of powertrain coverage, plus complimentary scheduled maintenance during the first 2 years. In summary, the 2025 Honda Civic continues its tradition of blending practicality, efficiency, and driving enjoyment into an affordable, thoughtfully equipped package. Whether seeking a daily commuter with class-leading fuel economy, a tech-rich family car, or a compact with genuine enthusiast appeal, the new Civic delivers on multiple fronts, proving once again why it remains a benchmark in the segment.